Every creator would like to go viral on YouTube. Every creator would like to earn money from YouTube, and that is possible. But the problem is that some creators actually choose wrong niches. Now, when you choose the wrong niche, you're always going to get stuck on YouTube. You will always upload videos for years, months, without going viral, without blowing up, without monetizing, just because some niches don't get views. But once you decide to jump into a niche that always get views, you're going to get monetized, you're going to get views, and you're going to always blow up on YouTube. And we've been seeing such channels. A channel gets created today, and after 1 month or 2 months, a channel blow up and get monetized in just a short period of a time. But other channels get created today, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, a channel is not monetized. A channel is just stuck. The truth is, a channel that creates a wrong niche will always get stuck. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you 8 niches that will always go viral. And when you decide to jump into these 8 niches that I'm gonna share with you in this video, you'll always go viral on YouTube. And above all these 8 niches, niche number 8 is a game changer. I've done research and found out that every creator that jumps into this niche, they are going viral. Even if you're new, you're old, you're a seasoned creator, you must jump into this niche. And once you jump into this niche, you're going to go viral. Now, before I begin, if this is your first time to be on my channel, you're most welcome. My name is Ben, and on this channel I make videos about tools, tips, and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So subscribe and turn on notifications to join the growth family. Let's grow together. The first niche on my list is personal finance. Now, as we all know, in the whole world, every single day people wake up to go and make money, to go and look money, to take care of their families, to develop their lives and stuff. Now, if you create content teaching people how to make money online, how to make money at home, how to make money, how to come up with business ideas, if you create such content, you're going to always get views on your videos because what you're creating has demand in the whole world. In Asia, in Africa, in Australia, in America, every single day people are looking for money. Every single day people want to learn new ideas, people want to learn new ways of making money. Another niche, how to cook videos. Yes, I'm talking about cooking niche. Every single day we eat food. So if you create videos on YouTube teaching people how to cook, you're going to get views because every single day people cook, and every single day people want to learn to cook new kind of food. Even if you're not a professional chef, let's say right now you know how to cook only 10 types of food. Now what you're going to do is to begin by teaching us how to cook what you know. And now after showing us how to cook what you know, what you're going to do is now to begin doing research, begin watching videos that are already on YouTube, videos teaching how to cook. And you're going to learn from those videos. You're going to remake those videos and teach us what those creators are teaching in their videos. I'm talking about the successful channels that teach about cooking, and those channels are actually getting views. So you're going to look at those channels and see the kind of food they're actually teaching, learn from that kind of food, and come on your channel, remake those videos with your camera, showing us how to cook what you've just cooked or what you've just watched already on YouTube. And when you do that, you're going to get views, and in a very short kind of a time, you're going to blow up and you're going to monetize your YouTube channel very, very fast. Another kind of niche, how to use AI tools. As we all know, AI is new on this planet, and a lot of people want to know how to use AI. As we all know, artificial intelligence has knowledge beyond human understanding. AI actually simplify work. If you come up with a channel that teach people how to use AI to do different things, you're going to always get views because AI is new and there is a lot of audience out there that want to learn how to use AI. Now, when you look at the niches that I've mentioned so far, you realize that these niches have one common thing, and this one common thing, it is value for the viewer. Now, the mistake most people do is creating content that doesn't contain value for a viewer. If you make videos, for example, you make a vlog showing people how you move from your home to your work, no one is going to watch that video because that video contains no value for no one. People are not interested to know your personal life. People don't want to know how you move from your home to your school or how you move from your home to your work. People want to know how you make money. Share with people how you make money. People will literally watch that. So always value people's time that they give your videos to watch them. By by giving value in your video. Another kind of niche is how to grow on YouTube tips and hacks. This niche also has views because most people here on YouTube want to learn how to make money on YouTube, want to learn how to grow on YouTube. And this is the same niche I actually make. But the only requirement about this niche, you should actually have knowledge for YouTube growth. You should not just create a channel and then begin giving tips on YouTube growth that don't actually work. Because once you give tips, once you do videos about YouTube growth, and then your audience realize that what you're sharing is not effective, what you're sharing doesn't work, they are not going to watch your videos, they're not going to subscribe to your channel, and you're going to end up with low views. So if you want to go into this niche, there is only one requirement that you need, and that requirement is you should know the YouTube growth tips, hacks, and strategies. Because when you share what you don't know, viewers are going to realize that. And once they realize that what you're sharing don't have enough knowledge about it, you're going to see decrease in your views. I guess you've been seeing such channels. Another kind of niche that will always go viral: your personal experience and expertism. Now, if you're a teacher, make a channel and begin teaching on YouTube, because there are students out there that can access YouTube and learn from YouTube. If you're a doctor, you can teach us how to do different tests, how to test pregnancy, how to test this, how to test blood, how to test urine, how to do different tests, and how to do different things. If you do boxing, teach us self-defense. If you are an editor, teach us how to edit. And by sharing your own expertism and experience, you're going to end up getting subscribers, you're going to end up getting views, and you're going to end up blowing up on YouTube and monetizing your YouTube channel. The last niche, and this is the number one niche on my list: personal challenging videos. Now, personal challenging videos, these are videos whereby you wake up one day and then you challenge yourself to do something. And this kind of videos are videos that Mr. Beast actually does and some other big creators. A video where you wake up one day and you challenge yourself to do something. For example, you do a video where you're challenging yourself to spend 3 days without eating. I saw one of Mr. Beast's video where he made a challenge and buried himself for 24 hours. He made a challenge where he got buried for 24 hours. Yes, getting buried for 24 hours, and then you upload that on YouTube and you get millions of views. And that kind of content actually has views. That's why I put this on my number one list. This kind of niche, it is actually one of the most ranked niche here on YouTube. It is one niche that actually gets millions of views. It is one niche that big creators are creating. It is one kind of niche that big creators are actually doing. So if you want to get millions of views, you could actually think about this kind of a niche, whereby you challenge yourself to do something that seems to be impossible. You make videos challenging yourself to do things that seems to be impossible, things that people think they cannot be done. That kind of content has a lot of views. That kind of content has millions of views, and you can get millions of subscribers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Now, if you'd like to actually jump into one of these niches, but you don't know how to do it, you don't know how to come up with the scripts, you don't know how to actually do it, watch this video, because in this video, I teach how to use ChatGPT to begin up a new niche. I teach how to use ChatGPT to monetize any YouTube channel doing any kind of a niche. So this video will actually help you to blow up on YouTube using just ChatGPT. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.